Welcome to the channel. Okay guys, if you see in your screen this little box, this little situation, if you two have sat home and decided to not go into the store, honey, and you said, I'm gonna order me something right quick, then you know all about this little packaging. So I said, let me share this with all of the girls. Now, you know, we get this little situation, so we're gonna sit that right over there, and we are going to discard the box. Guys, are you familiar with this little box right here? I'm going to give everybody a little time. If you are familiar with this box, then you may know what your girl is showing you guys. Now, I was talking to my girlfriend the other day, and we were talking about a pair of sneakers, and I was telling her how much I really cannot stand boxes, and I really don't care where the boxes come from. So guys, I would like to know in the comments, do you guys keep all of your Louis Vuitton boxes, all of your boxes that come from any luxury and all luxury brands? Do you keep every last one of them? That is a question that I would love to know. So guys, let's take the wrapping off, of course, and let me show you what is inside of the packaging, of course. Are you guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. Nothing major, guys. Nothing major at all. But do you see this little girl in your screen? It is just a bandeau, guys, and I think it is absolutely adorable. Now guys, I've said this and I absolutely mean this. I use my bandeaus for any and everything. When I say any and everything, guys, I absolutely mean that. And guys, leave in the comments, but I actually, honest to goodness, guys, I cannot stand all of this. I cannot stand all of this. I cut this stuff right here. I cut this off, guys. Leave in the comments what you guys think, because I think this is just, this gets on my last nerve. But I absolutely love the bandeau. And guys, I'm saying this because I definitely think that I am not the only one, because it says to cut this off, number one, and number two, I have done this to some of my bandeaus, guys. I have cut the entire piece off because I really don't like it. So guys, leave in the comments what you think about that. But this little bandeau, I do not have in my collection of bandeaus. I thought it was adorable, so I did add her to my collection. So guys, this is the piece that I just wanted to share with everyone so you guys could see. Now, when it comes, like I said, when it comes to me and all of my bandeaus, guys, I get my money's worth. Do you hear me? I cannot stress this to you. I get my money's worth because I will wear this thing as a head wrap. I will wear it as a belt. I will wear it as a necktie. I will put this on my bags. I use these things in every way that I can come up with, okay? For the price, I want to get my money's worth. So, guys, leave in the comments again what you think. I picked this one because I love the fact that it has two different prints. And because I'm such a pink girl, I was like, okay, that's cute. It's given. So I wanted it. So of course I ordered it. And guys, look, she's going with this space immensely well. I think it is adorable. And I am so here for it. But like I said, I will undoubtedly be cutting all this stuff off. And I've never seen anybody walk around with this extra piece, guys, because I think it's not necessary. And guys, I'm gonna show you right now that you are absolutely supposed to cut this off. Like, why would you walk around with this on? There's no reason for you to walk around with this on. And I will be cutting this piece right here off as well. And as you guys see, if you're interested in getting this piece, this is the stock. This is the piece that tells you the number for the product. And I'm going to be taking that off too. Okay. So, guys, leave in the comments what you think. Because if you walk around, here's the thing. If you walk around or try to have this on, that is just ridiculous. Like, it's just polar ridiculous. It's polar ridiculous to do that. Like, I just wouldn't never understand why would you. So guys, leave in the comments what you think. And until the next time, guys, bye for now.